Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is look. Here's a picture of a woman looking. Here is look in many languages. Pause the video. Look means direct one's gaze towards someone or something, or in a specific direction. Look. Let's build a sentence. He will look. Here, we will use the future tense. He will look. Let's build a sentence. He will look. Where? Where will he look? He will look in the box. Let's build a sentence. He will look in the box. Why? Why will he look in the box? He will look in the box for the scissors. Let's build a sentence. He will look in the box for the scissors. Why? Why will he look for the scissors? He will look in the box for the scissors to cut the paper. Oh, I understand. Let's build a sentence. He will look in the box for the scissors to cut the paper. Why? Why will he cut the paper? For his art project. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. He will look in the box for the scissors to cut the paper for his art project. Which art project? To cut the paper for his school art project. Oh. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. And we've also added which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.